Starting the day right with an iced Milo off to Kuala Lumpur on the Aeroline Bus. So check in later.
Bye.
So Rob's having his kaya toast with butter and his coffee with condensed milk this morning. How is it?
Mega sugar hit.
Yeah.
I'll be awake for hours.
Oh well. Yum. And we're getting on the bus now to go to KL. Here's my little helper. Ticket. So we're installed on the bus now, ready to go, and it's pretty nice. Entertainment. Little desky thingy. One stamp in the passport, carrying our bag through a hot hallway, and now back on the bus. No checks, no nothing. So, oh, and fingerprints, which didn't work again for me, but pretty easy. Now back on the bus for 5.5 hours to KL. I'm going the wrong way. And we made it to KL. Forest Hotel. Nothing fancy, but cheap. $130 for 2 nights. And it has a pool if it stops raining. Exploring in the rain. And this is KLCC Park. And there's the Twin Towers. We're right under it. Okay, so we're at KLCC food court. I have a bento and a drink for about $7.50. And Rob has
Beef rice. And it was $3.50.
awesome. This is our lovely room at Hotel Course. It's very plain, but very cute. This is what you get, $130 a night. But for $30 more, you can get this. It's a bit nicer. It's just a little bit, I don't know. And you get a balcony. And you can see one of the Petronas Towers. Nice. I'm about to get the train to get the monorail down underneath KLCC.
Playing with her hair. Always playing with her hair.
We're back in the neighbourhood, back in the hood. Good old Bukit Bintang. Louis here, he wasn't here last time. Dior's here. Alex is here. Lots of changes. Some fancy goodness in here. Start who go. Wherever we go, we find Japanese stores. We're like magnets to Japanese stuff. The hood. Just some air conditioning. That looks nice and cool. I'll be getting that later. It's all happening at Pavilion. Decorations out for Ramadan. Little baked cheese tart. Yeah. So lunch for about $3 is fried noodles with chicken and prawn. And fried rice with beef. That was about $3 too. And I take it it's pretty good. Now. Okay, so finally it's happened. It had to happen. I'm trying bubble tea for the first time. I've been seeing queues everywhere, Japan, Singapore, and now here in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and finally some bubble tea. So let's see what it's like. Okay, so I think I get it now. It's really good. It's kind of sweet, but not too sweet. It's like a milk tea with a little bit of sugar, and it's got these chewy black pearls in it. It's delicious. They're addictive. So I can see maybe what all the fuss is about now, but it's good. I like it. Early morning, waiting for the train, the ETS 9222 to Padang Besar. Here's our bags. And everyone else has just like a tiny little backpack. So I'm at the border of Malaysia, and just at the other end of the hall is the Thailand border here at Padang Besar, and no one is here until about 4 o'clock Thai time, 3 o'clock Malaysian time. So one side of the building is Malaysia time and the other side of the building is Thailand time, so it's a little confusing but interesting. got to get some food now. Bye. So this is the cafe at Nangabasa. This is it. Open air. At least we have a fan. Sort of. Waiting for our train still. It's still hot as you know what. But we have chandeliers here, so that's pretty good. And now I'm in the Thai section looking at the Malaysia border, which is just right there. So super freaky. Getting on the train after waiting here for about 6 hours. I'm good now. I've washed and cooled down. The train's really comfy actually. Can't wait till they put the beds down and we can recline in second class luxury. Bangkok Station.